How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader, where I try to catch precise tops and precise bottoms in the stock market. I'm going to talk about ticker TTOO. I love talking about it. It's got a lot of hype, and I know a lot of retail's in it. So I just want to get everyone what I'm seeing as this strategy works amazing. It's the reversal strategy where I try to see where reversal points are. So let's get right into the chart. So, yeah, it kind of sucks. Um, Dropped really hard here with a lot of just bad stuff all at once. It just really is just like, man, it sucks. But really, usually when they do that, they're gonna drop it right at this middle band. It could have went up or it could have went down. Sadly, it's the former. It wants to hit my bottom band now. So basically, what this strat is, you have the three bands. They are the Keltner channels. I adjusted them to my right settings where they are these settings right here. I do a 4 ATR. I think standard they are at 1, but this, I love this setting here. Your blue line is your EMA 20, so it's just been fluctuating right in this EMA 20. And what I've noticed is that they love to do news, press releases, earnings, whatever you can think of, right at this blue line. Very rarely will they put like bad news right here at my buy zone. Very rarely. I don't think I've seen it yet. And that's just what I've noticed. It's just a pattern in mine. So right here, when the price gets under the band, you want to start accumulating all these prices right here for the move up. Sell at the EMA 20, which is your blue line, and this would be a 100% move. Sadly, this stock has given us more sell zones, which is above the red line, and it sells off really fast. Sells off really fast, sells off really fast. Um, it does have options. That's interesting. So yeah, you could buy puts on this thing. But I would only bought the puts when it's on these red line. This right here is like flipping a coin. No one knew what TTOO was going to do. I know a lot of YouTubers are like pumping the crap out of this. This is just being realistic here. Nobody knows what's happened in the stock market. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody could predict this. Like, do not beat yourself up. Like, nobody could predict this. And so now that it's down after hours, I mean, as we speak, 36%, and then 43% just on the day. Man, this, and that's the thing with penny stocks. They are, you put a set amount of capital and you say, I'm willing to risk 1,000. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. But with penny stocks, they can go up really high. It's kind of like doing a zero DTE option, is the best I can describe it. You either make it or you don't. And that's why I kind of stayed away from them. I do like looking at them and see where I would bought. I would buy right here, and I'm going to show you this strategy. I'm going to share it. This is a free strategy. I want you to have all this stuff. I got the KDJ and RSI. RSI I don't really use that much, but all of this is free. I'm going to show you right now. Join the free Discord. We talk a lot of stuff. I have my trade alerts where I say which plays I'm currently in. Right now I'm in NEP, and there's a reason why I'm in that. I give that reason. I have a watch list, and then the setup video is where you can get all your indicators matching your chart. You can use TradingView. I use Webull. It doesn't matter. Whatever platform. I don't have time to go over all that to match all this because I go in really depth. But right now, TTOO, it wants to hit the green band, obviously. It's heading that way eventually. It's going to take some time. And no, the green band's not going to be 0.0131, which it says right here. It's going to fluctuate. It has to adjust to the price because as we all know, indicators are delayed. But the reason why I like using the daily is because after the end of the day, you can see after the end of the day, if you see oh, okay, this candle's clearly under, I'll start buying tomorrow. To me, that doesn't. That's awesome because yeah, they're delayed, but the daily works amazing because then you can be like, okay, well this is awesome because we're not trying to day trade. I don't like day trading, trying to get in and out. If I'm going to do some trades, I want to make sure if I get stuck in a position, I want to make sure one it's at a good buy point that would hold for at least a week to a month. And if you would have held this for a week, I mean, you would have got instant gain right here. But if you would have held this long term, which I don't suggest, you would have made massive returns. You would have been super rich. But we can't predict that, right, guys? But yeah, so for all the people holding TTOO, we'll figure out a buy zone once this. I give it a week before this adjusts, and the price either goes under it or gets near it. What I suggest is once I figure that out, I'll let you guys know, and then just sell it when it gets to the EMA 20 because it's just having a hard time breaking that EMA 20. It's did it here 3 times, but it's random. You just never know. But yeah, join the free Discord. I have it right here. I have back tested this strat for a very long time, so I know it works. I'm confident in it to put my own money to even share my trade alerts to say, okay, well, I'm in this, so you can actually see how I'm doing. And as long as you're accumulating, you don't go all in at once, you'll be fine. But yeah, I'll put this Discord. It's free, no monthly subscription to help retail out for trades just like this in the bio of my YouTube and in the chat of my YouTube. But yeah, sad day for TTOO. Sadly, it wants to do the green band. I was hoping for all the longs that will go to the red band. You all come filthy rich and everyone's happy, but it happens. That's the nature of penny stocks. I've got caught in these things too many times. Anyways, that's why I had to develop this system. So I'm very strict. Have a good day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the Discord. Take care.